Hey everybody. Today I'm gonna start packing, or like actually putting stuff in bags. I have a whole bunch of stuff like laid out and all over the place. Just placed another big Amazon order. But yeah, I figured I'm just gonna like make one big video of everything of me packing. So yeah, I'm gonna start showing you guys stuff. Okay, so as you may or may not be able to see, I have this whole table. I'll just show you. And that's all the stuff I like have started to lay out. So I'm just gonna show you it because why not? Got this backpack, it's like child safe. And then I'm bringing like two big like checked bags. This will be one of them. It's like as big as me. This will be the other one, also huge. And then, hoping this is carry-on size, but I guess we'll find out. Lots of medicine, sitting for malaria. Got some hiking shoes. Oh, I got this little like day bag thingy. Adapter. Oh, got some maps because apparently you like sign them. Got this like travel journal thing, so I'll write that every day. And then, oh, this is in case I get seasick, which hopefully I don't. And I found these like cool like. They're shampoo bars, so then it's like less waste and also takes up a lot less space. These are like little Tide packets so you can wash your clothes in the sink, because I'll be doing that a lot. This is a clothesline, so you can hang up your, if I can get it out, like hang up your clothes or whatever after you wash them. Passport. And these are my textbooks. Better believe that it will get better, that you wake up and feel alive. I know that it feels like it'll hurt forever, but we'll make it to the other side. And when you wake up, you will remember what it is to feel alive. Hey everybody, today is December 18th, my birthday, and I just finished up my second to last final, so I'm gonna start packing up my room because I have to move out of my apartment, obviously, because I leave in less than a month, which is super exciting. So I'm just gonna like show you guys the before and after. It's like a huge mess right now, and I'm not gonna clean it because I'm literally just packing stuff up. So I'm just gonna show you guys the before and after, and then show them like moving home or whatever, and then I can finally start packing once I get back home. Okay, so this is my messy bedroom. Hello. That I'm just gonna like pack everything up. I used to have like a clothing rack here that I sent home already, and this is my favorite part, and I have to take it down, and I worked really hard on that, so that's kind of sad. Gotta take that down. I'll take all of these down, and then I'll clean out my closet. I've already actually sent a lot of clothes home. And then my parents are coming tonight. I'm going to clean this apartment. Well, I actually just finished cleaning the whole apartment. And I'm just going to pack up this room right now. And then I'm going to go home tomorrow. And it's going to be really sad saying goodbye to all my friends, because I probably am not going to see them until May. But it's still so exciting. So, yeah, let's get to packing stuff up. But I know that you're getting stronger, and I know that it's worth the time. You better believe that it will get better, that you wake up and
Hello. I just said goodbye to all my friends at college. And I'm gonna not see. And I'm crying a lot. And I have to drive home. And yeah. I'm gonna miss you all. And if you guys are watching this, I love you. And I already miss you. And I said goodbye like 10 minutes ago. I hope you have I hope you're having a good time. And I'll miss you.
Okay, so I'm home. And this is what my room looks like right now. It's kind of crazy. I have to pack for the cabin real quick because we're going there for 5 days. Then I need to come back on the 25th to work. And then I gotta start cleaning this mess up and packing. So, wish me luck. Hey everybody. So, right now it is Christmas. I just got home because I work in 2 hours, so I figured I would just kind of try to clean some of this up or like start getting stuff organized. Because this is all the stuff I brought home from college. I have all that stuff in the hallway and then also like another room. There's a bunch of stuff in. So what I'm doing right now is trying to like get my bed cleared off so that I can sleep when I get home. And this is basically all my clothes that I brought to school. So what I'm doing is I'm just putting stuff that I want to bring on semester at sea on this rack. And then everything else like in my closet or whatever. So there's my big pile of stuff.
I know that you're feeling every fear inside, without a place to run and hide. If I could show you one thing, it'd be the light that's on the other side, holding out for the best of us.
It is, what day is it? December 30th. I leave in 2 days, and I'm just finishing filming the packing and planning, but mostly packing video. This is obviously going to be the end of it. I was supposed to leave today to go to the cities for 2 days and then leave for San Diego, but Minnesota roads are really bad. So I'm going to stick around and still leave for San Diego at the right time, so that's exciting. So I am like done packing. I just have like a few more things to put in bags, which you just saw in the last clip. Like there's a couple things like scattered around. But yeah, here goes nothing. If you want a packing list for some reason, like if you're going on this, I can give you one. But I don't know why any of you guys would want to hear about everything I'm bringing. So thanks for watching. I'm going to make a San Diego video, so I hope you guys watch that. And okay, bye. I don't know how to end this stuff.